We have seen multiple instances of Cybertruck getting stuck in various terrain. The lead engineer of the Cybertruck said Tesla have been considering stuck detection to give drivers a pop-up suggestion when stuck with ideas on how to get unstuck. Air down tires, try using trail assist, raise ride height, try sand mode, etc. The Cybertruck is equipped with a veritable load of off-road software features that can help in many situations, and it's up to the driver to be able to use them well. Majority of the Cybertruck owners lack off-road experience, because of which they get stuck. No one is an expert the first time they drive off-road, but anyone can learn. This feature would be really useful. With how advanced Tesla AI seems like it should be able to provide users with suggestions. And if the user agrees, then the system should automatically update the configs to match the scenario.